Right, back in the tent, chilling out, listening to the radio, and we have Bob and Cornelius both coming to see me. I have fed them something, so don't think that they've gone hungry. And here they are. All right, Bob, say hello to the public. Say hello to the peeps on YouTube. No. He's not. I'm not a performing monkey, David. I'm Bob the Seagull. Cornelius, are you okay? Poor Cornelius. Little juvenile seagull. Bob's teaching him the ropes of how to beg. Well, do something. There's people watching. Like, to spread your wings or just do something. Oh, never worked with children or animals.